lovely people, welcome to another series of Glomas. So this video is very impromptu. I wasn't even planning to film this week, but then I woke up to super inflamed red skin. As you can see, this is a combination of hyperpigmentation as well as inflamed skin from the winter winds. So I thought I need to go in with one of my favorite masks. Then I thought, you know what? I should do a roundup of some of my favorite masks for the winter time. So the first one I thought of was the Korus Biome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. So it's made with real Greek yogurt. It's a mask I've been using since the summertime and I absolutely love the puddingy yogurt texture. I just got out of the shower, so while my skin is still damp, I'm just gonna apply this, and as you can see, look at this gorgeous puddingy texture. It's literally like putting on yogurt on your skin. And the one thing that I really love about this mask is the Hydrating microbiome technology that is patented into this mask, and basically it's like a probiotic mask that allows your skin to kind of rebalance. It's like how you have to take probiotic pills to reset your digestive system. This is like a probiotic for your skin, which is absolutely connected. Gut, skin, everything is connected. So kind of topically applying this probiotic really helps reset your skin to reflect a much healthier glowing complexion. So I just leave this hydrating mask for 15-20 minutes. That's pretty much enough. It doesn't dry up or anything, obviously, because it's like this yogurt texture. But after 15 minutes, I'll show you what my skin looks like. Even though the redness may not be gone, I just kind of feel like a much healthier, softer texture after this. And it's also super hydrating because it includes 3 different kinds of hyaluronic acid in this for really good moisture absorption while you're masking as well as after. And the reason I like this for winter skin is not only for like the hyaluronic acid and the hydration, but it also has sweet almond oil, shea butter, apricot oil, which are all amazing ingredients for really dry, dull skin. Especially almond oil is something that is great to apply topically on the skin when it's really dry as well. And on top of that, it also has aloe vera, which is great to overall soothe skin as well, especially my kind of sensitized red skin. Aloe vera is going to be amazing for it. So I didn't even put this in the fridge, but it has a super cooling effect on it, probably because of the aloe vera in it. So I'm gonna put this on for 15-20 minutes and then I'll be back to you guys. All right, so after 20 minutes, I'm back from washing off that Korus mask, and my God, guys, can you see the difference in my complexion? And not only that, the redness in my cheeks is gone. Like, it felt really inflamed this morning, but now it's so smooth. I feel glorious. So yeah, this has to top one of my favorite masks to use, especially in the winter time, just because it really helps to kind of rebalance your skin, detox your skin, and just leads to a really plump, soft, healthy skin as well. And now let's use my next mask. So when we talk about masks, we always think about masks we physically put on and then wash off after like 15-20 minutes. But we don't tend to think about masks as a sleeping mask that you put on overnight. Today I'm wanting to talk about one of my favorite overnight masks that you can use to really hydrate your skin and lock in that moisture barrier overnight. That is Ernalazzo's Memory Gel Sleeping Mask. And if you can see up here, it's literally like a pudding. I can squeeze into it like this and it comes back into form. So this is like a super lightweight memory foam sleeping mask, just like your memory foam pillows. But what you do is you just have to apply a super light layer, because a little bit goes a long way. As you can see, like, it just lathers on completely seamlessly. It feels like I'm literally not wearing anything. The star ingredients here are prickly pear, green ginger, as well as mugwort extract. And you know how great and powerful of an antioxidant mugwort is. I love eating it in food as well, but obviously in skincare. But it does a really good job of overall attracting water and holding on to that moisture and allowing your skin to be more plump. And on top of that, it also has kelp extract, which is really high in omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. And just like our body needs omega fatty acids, your skin needs it as well. That's why I take like fatty acid supplements. But the fact that some skincare includes this is really helpful. But as you can tell, it's not sticky at all. It doesn't feel sticky when you sleep. It doesn't really go on your pillow either. It's pillow proof. And in the morning, I usually tend to wake up with like kind of red cheeks. But after using this, I not only feel really hydrated, but it also has a brightening up tendency. Hello again. So today we're going to be talking about my favorite sheet mask, which is also another form of mask. Once again, you'd be surprised by the number of different types and functionalities of sheet masks there are. There are different kinds of sheet masks that you can feel that feel different on the skin when it's applied, different kinds of functionalities for hydrating, brightening, anti-aging, cooling, all of that. But today I want to talk about my favorite hydrating mask, and it is no other than the MediHeal hydrating mask. So I've been talking about MediHeal masks since I started my Instagram journey, which is last year. And I have been buying MediHeal masks since it launched in 2012, since the very beginning. So I've been the OG, guys. They just reformulated the whole packaging, and they have a lot of cool, exciting things coming this year and next year as well. So I just love that they are just constantly innovating. I recently got to be able to see how their sheet masks are made and the technology behind it and everything. And it's pretty amazing. And they are the #1 selling sheet mask company in Korea. So the Koreans know best. And the cool thing is, one thing they did change is that if you see closely right here, they have their company logo imprinted in the sheet mask just to prevent any kinds of like fakes. It's like the luxury bag world now, guys. The luxury bag world is now into the sheet mask. I mean, like the sheet masks are like $5 or less, but the fact that they have to prevent fakes like this is pretty hilarious to me. But you know, we take our sheet mask seriously. We don't want any fake sheet mask, you know? Okay, so as you can see, it applies on the skin and sticks to the skin so well. I feel like they just know my face shape because I have so many sheet masks that like don't fit well, too big on the forehead, too big on the chin area. But look at this. This is absolute perfection. And then with anything that is left inside, there's a lot of good ampule in here. Kind of like get that out and apply on your neck area to push everything down to, even to your boobosphere, okay? All right, and then after that, I'm just gonna use a jade roller like this to kind of give myself a lymphatic drainage massage. I only use jade rollers when I sheet mask. That's when I feel like it has the most efficacy because it allows the sheet mask material to seep into your skin even better. Then I kind of focus on my eye area as well to kind of give that cooling effect. So this is a sheet mask that you can leave on for over 20 minutes because it's that hydrating. And then after 20 minutes, I shall be back. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes now, and let's take this off. Wow. So the best thing about this sheet mask is that some sheet masks are so runny that like water drips down your face, and like sometimes it's too hydrating that you can't even apply makeup afterwards. But I think the way they reformulated this is that it really just absorbs right into your skin without any kind of that sticky feeling. And even after you take it off, it just gives like the right amount of hydration. You can totally feel that it is ample hydration, but it's not like overflowing your entire face. So after this, I can just go in with one layer of moisturizer and then just go in with makeup or like my typical night routine, and that's plenty enough. Finding the sheet mask with the right amount of hydration that your skin needs without overdoing it is the best kind. So those are my 3 favorite masks for the wintertime, especially for dry skin. I hope you guys found this helpful. I know it's a shorter video, but still I wanted to get the message out there and kind of give you really good recs before the winter comes for most of you. All right, well, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel below here, and also follow me along my Glowmas journey on Instagram as well as YouTube. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next.